Alright, so now we're going to install the metal edging. So obviously measuring and cutting is your first step. So you measure from the floor up to the point that you need it. Normally it's to the ceiling, but with this we have this nice arch here and we are bringing the tile up to that arch. So we have to cut the metal to there. Now in this case we haven't torn up the floor yet, so measuring is a bit more difficult. But I was able to get my measuring tape back in behind where the original subfloor is. So I had the measurement there, you put it in, and put your metal piece in, so it is a little squishy down there. Now, putting it in and just calling it good isn't the best way to do it. You need to make sure that you level it. And leveling on the inside is usually easier. So right there is exactly what we want. Now you'll notice that it sticks out a bit here. Down there it's nice and tight, and here that's not a big deal because you'll be able to use drywall mud and fill that in, because obviously you can see on this particular wall we have a big mess when we took the tile off. So I'll just be filling that in with drywall mud. And remember too, this was the 3/8 side metal edging because of the thickness of this wall compared to the other one. And it's more so because we had to shim the other side out. But that's so you can either, if you have mud, you can take your mortar and just put some mortar here and that'll hold it on. Another way is to take your tape. Obviously you want to have this ready ahead of time. And actually that was the spot there, and you would stick the tape here and then one down lower. Not rocket science, simple stuff, but at least it holds it in place so that when you're tiling, it's not moving on you. And that's all there is to it to get your metal edging in.